Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am setting up all of my planners for the week, and I have just decided to do a morning vlog. Since it's Monday morning, this is normally the time now where I have been setting up my planners. I used to do it on a Sunday, so I used to set up all of my planners every single Sunday, and then that way I was kind of prepped and ready for the week. Since we opened a church in January, that has kind of changed because I am normally doing way more in the morning on Sunday morning. Since we're going to church, we're just trying to get things together there. I am not usually home until about 1 p.m. Then we're doing our family time, and we will usually pick a movie and watch a movie together as a family on Sunday afternoon. So since Sundays has become more of a rest day and a family day, I haven't been doing as much planning as I used to. So this means that now I have switched over to planning out my entire week on a Monday morning. So I wanted to walk you through that routine and show you how I set up all of the different sections of my planner. So it's not all of the planners that I have, because most of the planners that I have, I'm just planning in them on a daily basis. But two planners, my life planner and my work planner, I do have to set up at the beginning of the week. Those are the ones that I usually like to decorate. Those are the ones where I am looking at throughout my week to see the different things that I need to do. So those two we are setting up right now. I have started to redesign my stickers again. So if you are a part of Tom Squad, then you just got the notification from Patreon that Tom Squad is coming back, that I am starting to redesign stickers again, and that I am going to start sending you stickers every single month. So the sticker kit that we are using this week within my life planner is the sticker kit that I am sending out on Patreon for this upcoming month. It is called Beach Vibes. So if you're a Tom Squad member, you're going to get the mini kit automatically mailed over to you. However, if you're not a part of Tom Squad and you wanted to get your hands on this kit, you can get the mini version of this kit, or you can get the full version. If I wasn't decorating two planners, then I probably would use the mini version of this kit because I don't use mini stickers. But since we're doing two planners today, I am going to be using the full kit. Okay, so I'm going to turn you around and let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, I have you all a little zoomed in because I really wanted you all to be able to see what I was doing, but I really want to know. Let me know in the comments if you all like this type of angle where you can really see what I'm doing, or if you prefer the wider view where you kind of get an idea of the entire spread as it's coming together. So let me know which one you like or you prefer. So here's the full version of this kit. It's the Beach Vibes kit. As you can see, you get 8 boxes here, but it's pink, yellow, green, and blue. And these are the tax boxes. You also have your header for the week, and you also have some budget stickers just in case you wanted to use them within your budget spread. So I will probably use this whenever I am setting up my budget spread. I'm not doing that today, but I will keep this kit on the side, probably in the pocket, whenever I am ready to do so. You also have some additional budget stickers down here, some colorful boxes along with some additional icons. Down here are more of the functional ones like dentist appointment and flight and birthday and trash and things like that. Up here is just decorative ones that are meant for like a beach look. You also have your summer banner. Then I have today stickers, to do stickers. You have to clean, to buy, remember, work, school, this week, happy mail. These are all stickers that I usually will just add to my sidebar. And then I have a strip of washi down here. And then we also have the 8 full boxes. So the mini version of this kit, the one that's going out on Patreon, is 2 strips of the washi. The additional boxes here, these are decorative boxes. You also have 4 decorative boxes here, and then you have the colorful boxes. So these are the ones that I would usually use just within my life planner if I wanted to just decorate just the life planner, but today we're doing both, so I am going to be using the full kit. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing that I did note, and I might zoom you out a little bit just so you can see what I'm talking about. But the first thing that I did note is that this is the last week within this particular section of my planner. So my planner is undated, which means I automatically have 4 weeks that are set in each section of my undated planner. But some months we do have 5 weeks. So I have some additional weekly pages at the very back of my life planner. Like if you go to the very back of the planner, you'll see like a blank sheet, and then you'll see some extra weekly pages for the months that actually have 5 weeks. So I just pulled out one of these weeks, and we are going to paste it here. So what I would normally do is, this is the last week, I'm just going to put in an extra week here. And then I am going to tape this sheet to the back of this one. So I have some tape here, and I like to put it in my planner so that when I am pasting it on, I know it's even. That was not perfect at all, but it's okay. And then I'm going to tape, let's try and be a little bit more even with this one. So now it just flows from one week to the next, and then after this one is another blank sheet before we going into the next section. So now that we've done that, we can go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start laying down some stickers, and I always like to start off with my date boxes. That way I am able to just write in the dates across on these stickers, and then I am going to start with my sidebar. So I always love to add a full box at the very top, and this week I'm going to add all of my social media to my sidebar, also anything that's coming up in the next week, and I also want to keep track of my goals for the week. So that's everything that's going to be on my sidebar. I'm going to start off with YouTube. I am posting this week Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and we're currently working on the morning planning routine, which is this video here. And then on Wednesday it's going to be a budget related video, and then Friday another planning related video. And then for everything that I'm going to post on Instagram, I like to keep track of what reels I want to post, and usually I will post these on Instagram. I'll also post them to TikTok and also post them to YouTube Shorts. So I'm finding ways to just like expand and make sure that I'm using my content in multiple areas. So putting it on my sidebar allows me to check it off so that I know when I post what into what platform. Underneath that, I'm putting what's coming up in the next week. Memorial Day is next week, and I also have some June packets that I need to prepare for the organized business. So that's what I'm going to be working on there. And so I like to keep track of that and keep track of my overall goals for the week as well. After I finish with my sidebar, then I move over to my week, and I'm going to start off with Monday and write in all of the things that I'm planning on doing. Now, since it's already currently Monday around 10 a.m., I started off with just writing what I already did. That's why you see some of the writing in red, because when I write in red, it means that the plans have already happened, or they have already occurred, or I made some changes. So I like to write in black when I am pre-planning, and then write in red when things have already happened. So this planner is my catch-all planner. It is an hourly planner that really helps me to stay on top of all areas of my life. If I had to get rid of every planner that I had, I would never get rid of this one. This is definitely by far my favorite type of planner. And I love it so much because I am able to really get a good overview of all areas. Like I keep track of my cleaning routine in here. I will keep track of business things, home things, just a little bit of everything, which is why I don't use many stickers. I will use a lot of colorful box stickers and I will use a lot of the smaller icons, but I won't use any full boxes or not many full boxes, mainly because I need the space. As you can see, this planner gets pretty crowded as the day goes on, or as the week goes on. It gets really crowded because I like to write and jam as much as I possibly can within this planner. So this week is a pretty light week. I do have a lot of things that I need to do that are business related, so I'm just writing all of those things in, along with the videos that I need to post and the different places that I need to be throughout the week. I did add one full box here, and that is because I have a nice number of hours that are dedicated to client calls. So I just decided to add a colorful box there and just use the full box as a way to block off the entire time that I need to be dedicated to client calls. And I am just filling in everything else. I really love being able to use stickers here because I found myself getting bored with this planner when I wasn't using stickers as much. I feel like when I'm using a sticker kit, I do find myself actually flipping open to this planner more often, and I do enjoy that. So I'm just going to finish writing everything in and adding in all of the things that I need to do for the weekend, and that will be it for this spread. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so that y'all can get the full look. So this is what the spread looks like. I have my sidebar completely filled out with all of the activity and things that's happening this week on social media and what's coming up next week and my goals, and then I have everything else listed out. I still do have a nice number of stickers. As you can see, I still have all of these task boxes, all of these headers. I still have the washi, I still have my banner, and I still have a bunch of the little icons as well, which these I may use on my budget spread, but all of the rest of these I will use within the social media section of my planner. So let's just turn there now. And I didn't use my social media planner at all last week. It was just a really busy time, so I didn't have a chance to really set it up or use it. But that's why I love having an undated planner, because even though this stops on the 15th, I can just start with where I am currently. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's go ahead and set this one up. So I use my business planner as a way to stay on top of all of my social media and keep track of where I am in my overall process. Many times with my planner, I am keeping up with what needs to be posted where, because for the most part, I am posting on YouTube, I'm posting to Facebook, I'm posting to Instagram and TikTok, and all of those different pieces of content could be in different phases at any point in time. So this planner really helps me to stay on top of what I have filmed, what might need to be edited, what has been uploaded, did I respond to comments, all of those different little things that you need to do when you are posting content on a consistent basis. This is what this planner helps me to do. So I will use my main planner as a way to keep track of my overall schedule as a whole, so that I know where I need to be and what time I need to be there. But this planner really helps me to get into the nitty-gritty, helps me to get into the details of every single thing that I need to do, and I'm able to kind of keep track of my progress a little bit better. And as you can see, for decorating it, it's the exact opposite that I do within my life planner. So within my hourly planner, I am using a bunch of icons. I'm using a bunch of colorful boxes in order to decorate that particular spread. But when it comes to this particular planner, I love to have all of the white space to write down all of the lists. And so I will use full boxes and a couple of headers in order to decorate this one. But that is basically it, because I like to have a lot of writing space. I always need a bunch of writing space to make sure that I am able to stay on top of all of the different things that I have going on and being able to check them off as they occur. And even though I have decorated 2 planners, because I don't use a bunch of stickers within my planners, I still have a lot of stickers left over. And I'm going to show you the ones that I still have left over. So I really could use one sticker kit probably for all 5 of my planners. Okay, this is the spread. I still have a bunch of header boxes along with the washi tape. I still have some icons, some task boxes, and I also still have like the budget side of this kit. So I'm still going to keep it in here. I'm probably going to just use stickers throughout the week, and when I am in other sections of my planner, I can still use stickers because I've only planned just the life section, which is my hourly planner, and my work section. So I still have my faith section, my church section, and my money section in order to use the rest of these stickers. But I do love the way that this looks because I have a nice amount of white space still here so that I can add in tasks as I need them. With this planner, I am just basically adding in all of the tasks that go along with my business and with social media, all the things that I need to post. And then within the life section of my planner, this is mainly my schedule where I just need to see where I need to be. So this is what to do, and this is where I need to be at any particular time on any day. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this particular plan with me. And also, if you want this sticker kit, I will leave it linked in the description box below, to where if you wanted to become a Patreon member so that you receive the mini version of every sticker kit that I create, then you can find that within the description box. Or if you just wanted to get this particular kit, I will leave it linked there as well. But I hope that you enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.